how to make latte using a French press in the comfort of your home. So in this video, we will use a 1 liter French press, remove the plunger, and then add 4 tablespoons of your favorite coffee. And then we will pour hot water, about 2 cups. We will stir the coffee gently and let the coffee brew in French press for a minute. Once 1 minute is done, we will press the plunger down, transfer the coffee into the cup. We will then wash the French press to use it for the froth. We will remove the glass jar from the French press and pour milk, about half the content of this jar. We will put it to microwave for 1 minute. We'll put it back to the rest of the press. We will cover it and move the plunger back. We will press for about 12 times. We will then transfer to the milk jug. We will then make the latte. Pour the froth, caramelize the crema at high point of motion. Then we'll split in half. Thank you for watching. Till next time!